This week we experienced a meta-apocalypse in which all our headsets have been turned into bricks for around 1 hour. I originally planned to make a different video for this week, but I really want to speak about this problem. We will address how and why this happened and what we can expect in the future from Meta as a compensation. Let's begin with the story's background and speak about the moment when all this started. On March the 5th, 2024 at 10 am Eastern Time, Facebook, Instagram, Threads and many other servers went completely down. If you have not been living under a rock, most likely already know how shocking this doomsday-like scenario was for our social media addicted society. But let's come back to our main interest, which is the VR headsets. Every Meta headset, no matter if we are talking about Quest 1, 2, 3 or Pro, stop working completely, offering just a simple message that somehow something went wrong and there is an error. This is pretty weird, because normally even if your headset can connect to the internet, there is no problem using it for offline games or any other activity that doesn't require a connection to an external server. But obviously this time something was entirely different and somehow our devices turned into overpriced plastic toys. So, why did this happen? Well, the only good aspect in this case is that Meta didn't try to push the matter under the rug and actually come forward to explain the source of this problem. When people on X speculated that the source of the problem was either the server who had told the devices to sign out, or the client no longer thinking the login was valid, Meta CTO Andrew Bosworth responded with a comment you see now on the screen, affirming the validity of this deduction. Furthermore, in a more detailed post, Meta's VP of VR, Mark Rapkin, stated that the login servers had a bug and were returning responses the headsets didn't expect, which made the session invalid. So here you have it. Basically, the servers affected by the bug send a message to all the headsets connected to the internet, which made our devices believe there is a problem with our accounts and active sessions. Together with this answer, we also got a promise that they will work to make the devices more resilient if rare problems like this happen again. This is something they need to prioritize as fast as possible because despite not being able to use features related to your Meta account, in similar cases, you should at least be able to use your headset as a PC VR device. From what I heard, during this one apocalyptic hour, even that part of the headset functionality was unavailable. This proves once again that we don't completely own our devices, and Meta has the power to turn them into glorified pieces of plastic with a push of a button. The failure of a server should not affect our ability to use a device we buy with our own money or games/applications we purchased in advance. Not having access to an online service is acceptable, but having a completely unusable device is not. Sadly, right now Meta is the best solution if you want to get into VR at an affordable price and still enjoy a variety of games. Well, there is still Pico. The downsides are greater than the upsides if you want to go with them. Hopefully, with the involvement of other big companies like Google and Samsung in the VR space, which is expected to happen soon, we will see more options for us consumers, and with that, the quality of the services provided to us should rise. For now, we can only hope that Meta will take actions on their promise and make sure that something on this scale will not happen again in the future. Okay, thanks for watching my rambling, and I will come back next week with a more structured video as usual. Goodbye.